Welcome to part three of the New Year's Eve celebration. Let's just get right in and enjoy. Feliz Ano Novo! Eu sou o JetSetInk. 2026. Like I always say, I really like what we got going on. And I look forward to seeing you at the next spot. Mr. JetSetInk out.
Alegria, alegria, Rio de Janeiro! Joga a mão em cima, Pegada de vaqueiro. Nunca nasceu de verdade, mal falado, vem dançar comigo. Quero ser seu namorado, ficar do seu lado, falar no ouvido. Você é meu corpo, quero ser seu corpo no meu. Quero te beijar de novo. O seu beijo me feliz 2026! O seu beijo me tudo que a gente já fez. Quero sentir seu corpo no meu. Não quero mais essa vida de farra. Não quero mais essa vida de farra. Tô precisando de tempo, não vê. Tô nem aí pra unir, tô nem aí pra unir. Só tô querendo você. Eu só tô querendo você. Tô precisando de tempo, não vê. Desejo a vocês muito tempo no ano de 2026. Só tô querendo você. Guarda tudo e vem me ver. Mãozinha em cima, pro lado, pro outro e balança. E quando você vai perceber que eu mudei bastante, fica ao meu lado. E minha fama não é boa, o povo me chama de meio safado, mas eu não quero mais essa vida de farra. Todo mundo você vai perceber que eu mandei pra esteira, fica ao meu lado. Minha fama não é boa, o povo me chama de meio safado, mas eu tô precisando de tempo, não sei. Só tô querendo você, eu só tô querendo você. Tô precisando de tempo. Só tô querendo você, eu só tô querendo você. Para todo tempo. Alegria, alegria. E quando é, você vai perceber que eu vou ver vocês, Alegria, Rio de Janeiro! Vamos de música nova. Nas ondas do mundo, teu beijo eu quero viajar. Nunca sonhar. Joga a mãozinha em cima, galera aí vem. Fala e tá viciada. O que a gente faz somos de coisa parada. E não para, me ama sem pausa. Vai me deixar louco, fazer aquelas paradas. Esse encontro vai me levar, o céu vai se formar, vou me afogar nas ondas do teu corpo, quanto tempo eu quero virar. Eu só vou fugir, pra eu me mandar mensagem. Obrigado por nos receber, estou muito feliz de estar aqui com vocês hoje. Muito feliz, velho. Que Deus abençoe a cada um nesse ano 2026. Essa próxima canção é pra você que vai pra batalha todo santo dia. Você que enfrenta o leão todo santo dia. Você que... Isso é pra vocês, velho. Tá bom? Que 2026 seja um ano de colher muitos frutos. Cedo pra luta que eu tô pronto. Eu muito pronto com meu Deus que tá no céu. Eu dei a cena pra correr todo mundo. Ao meu lado a disciplina, esperando que não é meu. Eu dei a cena, meu cavalo já tá pronto. Joga Bora? Mais uma? Vamos cantar aquela que a gente falou? Passa mais 2026 aí. Os violões vai deixar muito
All right, so from the concert stage to this point, a lot of time has passed, roughly 2 to 3 hours, because my leg was absolutely killing me. That was it. I wasn't feeling the music too much, and my leg was, again, my big concern was my leg. And I was sitting down by a restaurant trying to order an Uber because I pre-ordered an Uber for 2 a.m. and the it was canceled eventually. So I stayed, and then I heard a lot of commotions, and would you look at that, it was a drone show. Had I stayed where I was, I would have gotten another prime spot for the drone show. But I had what would eventually be known as an infection, but I thought it was a bot fly again in my leg, like an actual parasite growing in my leg. But the drone show was incredible. This was an adventure, truly. So let's check out the rest of the show. Well, I'm here not because I want to, but because I had to. Absolutely impossible to get to the Uber. There's still a shit ton of people here. It's a good vibe, but I'm worried about my leg. Y'all can see my leg and ankle is swollen compared to this one. But it's because I was on my feet a lot. But yeah, I'm not doing anything till like Monday at least. But hey, my first sunrise at Copacabana Beach. All right, and so after many failed attempts of getting an Uber, I downloaded another app to hail a taxi. I mean, I spent a long time by this restaurant because it's the only place that had Wi-Fi. It just was not working out, so I had to stay here to see the sunrise and hopefully wait it out. I read online that around 5, 6 in the morning, that's when Uber start coming into Copacabana. So, and you can't smell this water, but that water looks a lot more yellow. 2.5 million people is a lot of people. And so you can't smell this video. Well, let me tell you, it's acidic in the air. But first sunrise in Rio. So because it was taking forever to get an Uber, I had to take a fucking bike. So here I am, biking through Rio with a bad leg. Can't wait to get home. This kind. All right. Well, this kind of worked out because I'm really getting to see the city, and that was kind of cool. All right, gotta focus. There seems to always be some type of plan when it comes to my life. Things just come together in the best possible ways. This is pretty nice. I got about 20 more minutes on this bike ride. I made it. I made it. It's 6:46 in the morning and I'm just getting to the crib. I had to bike 30 minutes, 35 minutes to get here. It was beautiful, but man, that was difficult. You are absolutely destroyed. I got my shirt dirty from a capirinha. My pants are all stained. I mean, my foot is, I'm destroyed. Whew. I'm showering. I don't even know if I should let it stay. It's gonna fuck up my whole sleep schedule. I'm still gonna do what I want, but damn. Alright, sharing everyone an update because I am going to be down for the count here in Rio. I might not be leaving this Airbnb for at least a week, close to a week. So that's the infection. It's gone down. Looks a little bad right there, but honestly, I'm a lot more relieved about what it's looked like. But because of being on my foot all day, my leg is now swollen. If you can take a look, you know, like right here compared to right there, you can see the bone, right? My feet are swollen. So this has been a huge problem. So, but I am getting better. I just need to rest, and I cannot be on my feet. So that's what's going on. Mr. JetSetInk is a little down, but you know, it is what it is. I'm so happy to be home. Rio New Year's Eve was crazy. One thing I must say is I've been cooking since I've been in Brazil. Working and cooking. This shit is bomb right now. I got some fucking battered fried fish, some homemade mashed potatoes and broccoli. Shit is banging. Okay, so today is January 8th, and I'm finally exploring Rio de Janeiro. After New Year's, I had an infection on my leg. It was really bad, so I could not. I had to stay at home, save some money, but you know, it's all good. Now I'm going to explore this city, so I'm very excited. Come with me. All right, looks like we got a nice little market. This is literally right outside my Airbnb. See if I see anything cool worth buying. Okay, nothing that catches my eye. We actually have to head in the other direction, but check this out. That concludes part 3 of the Jet Setting Journey, the Brazil edition. Plenty more to come. Brazil is a long chapter in life. So stay tuned for more and subscribe, like, and follow. Thank you so much.